Okay, so we have our single stackable MOLLE pouch in MCU here. Now what we're going to do to get this tab back on and get this functional is on the back here there's a knot. You can undo that knot like this, take the elastic out, and what you do is you just put these two ends in, like so. There you go, put it nice and taut, try to keep it even where you can. Take your tab. Now some people thread them through either side, although other people thread them straight through one side like that, depending on your style. Once that's through, just turn it around, slip it back through that little middle eyelet there. There you go, pull it to the other side like that, and then tie a knot. Now if you've got a short magazine like an M4, you want to have your knot further up the elastic. If you've got a longer magazine like an AK, you want to tie it a bit further up. That's how you customize your retention. There you go, and then just pull that taut. There you go, tension will do the rest. Now your magazine is ready to go. Just chuck it in there and yeah.